So good morning everyone. So in last class we have started our exercise 1. In the exercise 1 we have completed first bit and second bit and also third bit. So now we are starting our fourth bit. So what is the fourth solution we will see. So what is the question of fourth? The length of a line segment AB is 38 centimeters. The length of AB line segment is 38 centimeters. In that, a point X on it divides it in the ratio 9:10. Find the length of a line segment AX and XB. So they have given one line segment here. So this is a line segment AB. The full length of this line segment they have given as 38 centimeters. Okay. So on this line they have taken one point X. Okay. On this point they have taken one point X and the ratio is from A to X dividing the ratio of 9 and from X to B it is dividing the ratio of 10. So what is the ratio here? Ratio of this AX and XB is 9:10. That means the result will be in the form of 9 multiples and here XB result is in the form of 10 multiples. Okay. So now what we have to find? Find the length of a line segment AX and XB. So we have to find the length of AX as well as XB. Okay. So how we will find, we will see. So now you see this. So what they have given, length of total length of AB line segment is how much? 38 centimeters, and on that line segment they have taken one point. So that point is called as X. So a point X divides AB line segment. So this AB line segment can be written in the form of AX line segment plus XB line segment. This part and this part. Okay. Now in this AX ratio, AX plus XB ratio, how much they have given? 9:10 they have given. Okay. So that means AX multiples, AX result will be in the form of 9 multiples and XB result will be in the form of 10 multiples. That's why I am taking it as 9x and 10x here. Okay. Now if you add these two, what is the total line segment value? That is 38 centimeters. Now you add this 9x plus 10x. That means if you add these two, then only the full length will be formed. So 9x plus 10x will be equals to 38 centimeters. Okay. Now 9 plus 10 will be 19x is equals to 38 centimeters. Now I am sending this 19 to other side, so that will be converted into division. So 38 by 19 centimeters. 19 ones are 19 twos are. So x value how much you got? 2 centimeters. Now what we have to find? We have to find the AX value and XB value. So AX is equals to, what is AX value? We have taken it as 9x. So 9x, that is 9 is a constant value. X value you got it as 2 into 2 centimeters. 9 2s is 18 centimeters. So from here to here the value is 18 centimeters. Now we have to find this value. So what is that? XB we have taken it as 10x. XB is equals to 10x. 10 is a constant value. X value we have taken it as 2. 10 2s are, that is 20 centimeters. So from here to here it is 20 centimeters. Okay. So once again you see this. Total length of a line segment they have given as 38 centimeters. This total length is how much? 38 centimeters. And one point X they have taken on this line. So after taking the X value, the line segment has been converted into 2 parts. Okay. So the 2 parts ratio they have given in the form of 9:10. Now what we have to do? We have to find the value of this AX and XB. Is it right? Now this AX value is ratio is 9. So I have taken in the form of 9x because ratio results will be in the form of multiple of the given number. Okay, so I have taken it as 9x and 10 I have taken in the form of 10x. Okay, so if you add these two, then only you will get the total length. If you add these two ratios, then only you will get a total line segment. That's why I am adding both the values here. That is 9x plus 10x is equals to 38 centimeters. 9 plus 10 will be 19x is equals to 38 centimeters. I am sending this 19 to other side, so that will be converted into division. 19 ones are 19 twos are is 38. So x value you got it as 2 centimeters. Now this x value you have to substitute in x here. That is 9x. Ax value is 9x. In place of x I have taken 2. 9 twos are is 18 centimeters. In the same way I have to find the xb value. Okay. So xb is how much? 10x here. 10 is a constant value and in place of x I have taken 2. 10 twos are 20 centimeters. So you got the values here. Okay. So this is our fourth solution. Next one is fifth one. Now fifth one, the sum of 1,60,000 is divided in the ratio of 3:5. What is the smaller share? So what is the smaller share we have to find. So what is the total amount there? Total amount is 1,60,000. That 1,60,000 has been divided into two parts. One ratio is 3 and other ratio is 5. So in this 3 and 5, what is the smaller share we have to find. Okay, so total amount is how much here? Total amount is 1,60,000. Okay, rupees. And what is the ratio here? Ratio of amount. That is 3:5. 3:5. In this, what is the smaller share we have to find. So in this, again same thing. Ratio can be represented in the form of multiples of the answer. Okay, so we can take here 3x and 5x. If you add these two, then only you will get the total amount. Okay, so that is 3x plus 5x will be equals to 1,60,000. 3 plus 5 will be 8x is equals to 1,60,000. Now we send this 8 to other side. That will be converted into division. So x is equals to 1,60,000 divided by 8. So 8 ones are 8 twos are 16. 8 zeros are 0. 8 zeros are 0. 8 zeros are 0. 8 zeros are 0. Okay. So how much you got here? You got it as 20,000. Okay, you got the x value. Now which is a smaller share we have to find. So what is the first share here? First share is 3x. So 3 is a constant number and what is the x value? 20,000. So how much you will get? 60,000. So first share value is 60,000. Now we have to find the second share. So second share is what? What is the ratio? 5x. So 5x. 5 is a constant value. X value is how much? 20,000. So 5 twos are 10. 0, 0, 0, 0. So that will be how much? 1 lakh. Okay. So what is the smaller share here? Smaller share is how much? 3x. Therefore, the smaller share is how much here? 60,000 rupees. So this is our fifth solution. Okay, next is sixth one. one. To make a green paint, a painter mixes yellow paint and blue paint in the ratio 3:4. So for making the green paint, two different types of paints they are mixing, that is yellow paint as well as blue paint. What is the ratio of that? 3:2. If he used 12 liters of yellow paint, how many liters of yellow paint he has used? It is 12 liters. Okay, so how much blue paint did he use? We have to find how much he used blue paint. We have to find it. Okay, so what is the ratio of paints here? Ratio of yellow paint, yellow and blue paint is how much? 3:2. And how many liters of yellow paint he has used? 12 liters he has used. So yellow paint used is how much? 12 liters. Now what we have to find? We have to find how many liters of blue paint they have used. So again 3:2 means the result will be in the form of multiples of that. So we can write here 3x is to 2x. Okay, so already they have given the yellow value, yellow paint, how many liters they have used. Here also you are having the ratio of yellow. So these two you compare now. That is 3x is equals to 12 liters. Okay, now you transpose this 3 to other side. That will be 12 by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So x value how much you got? 4. Now what we have to find? We have to find how many liters of blue paint he has used. So blue paint used is equals to, what is the ratio of blue paint here? 2x. So 2 is a constant number. X is 4 into 4. 2 fours are 8 liters. That means yellow paint he has used 12 liters and blue paint he has used 8 liters. So once again see this ratio of yellow paint and blue paint they have given as 3:2. Already I have told that ratio is nothing but writing the answer in the form of multiples of that value. That means I have taken the form of 3x and 2x. Now total liters of yellow paint used is how much? 12 liters. Okay. Now here also yellow, about yellow they have given information. Here also they have given about yellow. Okay. Now that means I am equating these two. So 3x is equals to 12. I am sending this 3 to other side. That will be converted into division. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So x value you got it as 4. Now what we have to find? We have to find how many liters of blue paint they have used. So blue paint ratio is how much? 2x. So 2 into x. 2 is a constant value. X is how much? 4. 2 fours are 8 liters. So number of liters, number of liters used blue paint is 8 liters and yellow is 12 liters. Okay, this is our 6th solution. Next, 7th one. So what is 7th one? The rectangle measure 40 centimeters at its length and 20 centimeters at its width. The length value is 40 centimeters and width value is 20 centimeters. Find the ratio of length to the width. We have to find the ratio between length and also width. Width is nothing but breadth value. So length what they have given? Length of rectangle given as 40 centimeters and width of rectangle given as 20 centimeters. Now what we have to find? We have to find the ratio of these two. So ratio of length and width is how much? We can write in the form of 40 centimeters is to 20 centimeters. Now we can cancel. 0 will get cancelled. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So what is the ratio? 1:2. So therefore the ratio of length and width is 2:1. So this is our seventh solution. Okay. Next is eighth one. This eighth one I will tell you. This ninth one you have to try by yourself. So first you see the ninth one. The ratio of boys and girls in your class. So in your class, how many boys and how many girls are there? You know. So you find the ratio between them. Next, the ratio of number of doors and number of windows of your classroom. And you also know how many windows are there and how many doors are there in your classroom. So for that also you have to find the ratio. Next is the ratio of number of textbooks and number of notebooks with you. With you, how many number of books, textbooks are there and how many number of notebooks are there. For that also you have to find the ratio. This last one you have to do by yourself. So eighth one, what is eighth question? The speed of garden snail is 50 meters per hour. So how much speed it will take, how much speed it will run? That is per hour it will it will walk for 50 meters. And that of cheetah is 120 kilometers per hour. But cheetah in 1 hour it will go 120 kilometers. So what we have to find? We have to find the ratio of the speeds. We have to find the ratio between garden snail and cheetah here. So first what they have given about garden snail. Speed of is how much? This is 50 meters. Okay. Next is speed of cheetah. Cheetah is how much? 120 kilometers. Can you compare these two? Can you compare these two? This is in meters and this is in kilometers. What I told you about ratio? Comparison of two equal quantities will become a ratio. But here it is in meters and it is in kilometers. So first you have to convert that meters into kilometers. So meters to kilometers. So how to convert? 50 by 1000. 0 will get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 20s are. So you got it as 1 by 20 kilometers. Okay. So 50 meters. If you want to convert in kilometers, we have to divide with 1000. 50 by 1000. So 0 will get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 20s are is 100. So you got it as 1 by 20 kilometers. Now this is also in kilometers. This is also in kilometers. You can find the ratio easily now. So ratio of garden snail and cheetah is how much? Garden snail is 1 by 20 kilometers and cheetah is 120 kilometers. So this is the ratio between them. And one more method also you can find. One more method also you can take. So what is that method? You can convert this kilometers into meters. Already we know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Okay, so we can convert this kilometers into meters also. Instead of converting this meters to kilometers, you can convert this kilometers to meters. In that method also you can find. So what is the ratio? You got it as 1 by 20 kilometers is to 120. Okay. So if you want, you can send this 20 to other side. You love this one. Okay. What is the answer? 1 by 20 kilometers is to 120 kilometers. So with this, our exercise 1 is completed. The 9th way to do it as homework. Tomorrow we will discuss about proportion and we will start our next exercise. Thank you.